Welcome to the Paint Hustle, where today we've got a 1970s Peugeot J7 horsebox van. It needs a little bit of work. So today we are going to fully respray outside before it's converted into a pizza truck. Let's have a little quick check of the inside of this beautiful vehicle. The J7, as you can see, high-tech equipment. It don't actually start at the moment, but it will start. It just needs a bit of a boost. Booster pack on battery and it should start. That, if you're wondering, is the engine. So it unclips there. I don't know how it slides out, but once it's out, you can just work on your engine there. It'll keep your legs warm in winter. And that's it. Seats seen better days. But today we're going to do the outside, so let's get on with it. So the next stage is to sort this out. Obviously it's had a beautiful repair before. It's got a big dent inside. So we're going to sand that down, put lots of filler in it, and then once that's done I'll prime that and 2-pack primer across the rest of it. Alright, we've got plenty of filler in there, but my sander's just given up and broke, so we're going to have to go plan B today, and that means etching. I'm going to etch these, because these are, all this is like bare metal, it needs etching, so then the other paint, the primer, the top coats can all stick to it. So I've got these panels and all them down that side too. So that is the van all prepped. It's all been primed in 2-pack primer. The roof has been flattered, so I'm going to paint that next, and then I won't need ladders when I'm painting the rest of the van. Up here, beautiful. All right, you get a POV spraying. We'll dust it on a little bit. And then we'll give it another coat after. So the roof is done. It's time to prep the rest of the body. I'm going to wet flat everything with 500, all the primer, and then after that I'll panel wipe the whole area and it'll be ready for painting. So I just took the grill off. As you can see, that's the radiator. I'm going to show you my mechanic skills. They're pipes, and that looks like it's the flux capacitor, yeah? So I'm going to mask this up, and to be honest, I'll probably just put the grill back on because it'll be easier to paint once that's masked up. That's the cream base coat on, so the next step is to mask the bottom part where I'm going to paint it all in a burgundy colour. I was running really low on the cream paint, so what I decided to do was not put as much in the metal recess parts, as that's all going to get panelled out with wood anyway, and the serving hatch is also going to go in that side. So let's get painting the burgundy. And that's it guys, after about 10 hours of painting, the van is finally done. My back is in bits. There's still a bit to do, the sides need panelling out with wood and the serving hatch needs putting in. I also need to flatten buff the whole van to make it shiny and paint the wheels in the same cream colour. Hope you enjoy watching, please like and subscribe so you can see the J7 pizza truck all finished. But until next time, pizza out.